everyone, welcome back. My name is Niti and I hope you all are safe and doing well. So I'm back with another hashtag Riti review video, and the book that I'm going to talk about in today's video is The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond is one of the favorite authors for children's because he writes such fantastic books, and the most famous book is none other than The Blue Umbrella. Everybody adores this book. Everybody is spellbound after reading this book. Everybody loves this book. He has written such an amazing book in such few pages. So Ruskin Bond is a person who is famous for his simplicity. The way his simplicity talks is the main element of his books. So the main thing for attraction in his books are the simplest words, yet the strong morals, yet the strong meaning behind it. So that is the most influential part of Ruskin Bond's book, and every child loves his books, and the most famous one is this one. So I got attracted towards this and I got this. This is a thin book. When I started reading again, I mostly prefer thin books and thick books because I need a balance in my reading, so I get thin books also. So don't hate on me or don't judge me, but I really admired his writing in the entire book. It is a thin book. The cover is very interesting. The name of the book is very interesting, which is The Blue Umbrella, and the font in this book is very huge, means it is very big, so you can read it very fluently without putting so much concentration to the words, because some books have very small font, but this is not that kind of a book. Also it has illustrations which will engage you throughout the book, because it is made for children's perspective, so it is like that. But I don't think that it is just for children. Any age group can read this book. We have no age limit for learning, so I think it is best for every person, specifically for those who are starting reading, who are beginners. So that's the kind of a book it is. And now coming to the story of this book, it is a story of Binya, who is a village girl who lives in the village, who helps her mother in doing household chores, who takes the animals out for a walk and just love the nature, who loves spending time in the nature, who go to school to study, and on the way back she enjoys small treats or sweets that she eats every day. And she also has a brother with whom she shares a special bond with. Also the place from where she gets the sweets every day on the way back is a friend of her, which is Ram Bharosa, and I'm telling this because Ram Bharosa has an important role in this book, so that's the reason I'm mentioning it. And that is what all her basic life is. But one day everything changed. And how it changed? Because one day she was collecting nectars from the forest. So there a rich family came for picnic purpose, I believe so, and they were having their family time, they were enjoying. But the richness of the family does not got any attention of Binya. The main attention that got was the Blue Umbrella. She was spellbound. She was speechless after seeing the umbrella. So that was not it. The lady in that family was attracted towards the pendant that Binya had on her neck, which was a tiger's paw, which was a lucky charm for Binya. But she was spellbound and she was so attracted towards the Blue Umbrella that so she wanted to exchange it in return of her tiger's paw. But the lady did not accepted it in first hand. She did not wanted to exchange the Blue Umbrella because she thought that Binya is a poor girl or village girl, for what she would need the umbrella. But then they agreed and they exchanged both the things. and after that everything changed for in Binya's life. So she got the blue umbrella, and on the way back when she was returning home, the Ram Bharosa, which was the friend kind of a person, the shopkeeper, saw the umbrella, and he was jealous of Binya because he did not have the umbrella, and he did not wanted Binya to have the umbrella. So he was jealous, and after that, whenever she used to go anywhere, whenever Binya used to go anywhere, she used to carry the blue umbrella with her everywhere, and in the entire village everyone got jealous, everyone envied her because they did not have the same umbrella, the same blue umbrella. And that is the main plot of the book. So after that, whatever happens is what will make you think before you do anything. It will change your perspective. How children are so forgiving, and how they are so open hearted is what the main thing of the book and the main moral of the book. I really love the simplicity of the book. It was very simple. I completed this in a single sitting, so that is what we can expect from this book, and it is a mind-blowing simplest book I have read. And Ruskin Bond just made me spellbound. I said this 3 times now, but it is such an amazing book, and you will see how Binya and Ram Bharosa's relationship turns and twists, and what all they go through, how older person thinks, and how a child or a younger person thinks. So the see the thinking of both the people, and that is what is the miracle of the book. I will give it 4.5 out of 5. I was completely amazed by the writing. This is my first book from Ruskin Bond, so I was totally shocked by the writing style and the perspective and the way of presentation. It is very simple yet so engaging. The illustrations, the font, the way it is presented is so engaging. It is not a romantic fantasy or any other kind of a book, but it is very inspiring kind of a book, and you will definitely love this book. I really love this book. It is perfect for beginners. I have recommended this in my previous videos. If you have seen those, I have recommended this a zillion times, but it is finally the time I reviewed it, and I really loved it. If you read this book, please let me know what are your thoughts on this book. Such a thin book, such a sweet simple book. And also let me know what all books you read from Ruskin Bond, so that I can also read them. What all books you love. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe, all those good things. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves, and bye bye.